Being the first to bring cooling to the UAE means that life with us is a breeze, working hard as we aim to please with a few more tricks up our sleeve. Have you ever wondered what comforts define us? What lifted us to meet heights or the paths that find us? It's knowing that the world may be hot, but we have a cool home when we get back, helping us focus without getting sidetracked. I mean, just look at the walls and it's easy to see. When fake AC is faced with the real OG, we cannot speak of the bidu without speaking of cooling. I mean, who are we fooling? We have the same units that Jiddu used when he asked about our schooling. We were there at the beginning, and we are here now. We worked hard and earned the sweat on our brow, and we struggled together through the ups and the downs, but one constant was that hum. That hum that was music to our ears, that helped you sleep at night and lets you know that we're near, the heroes that keep your home breezy, trying to make life easy so you know life is good when you see me. Reliability describes both of our mettle. We wanted cooling in the home and heat in the kettle. We worked hard and never settled till the playing field was leveled, and we get to pass down our treasures like flower petals from Abu Dhabi to Ras Al Khaimah and everywhere you can find, O General. We are in your shops. We are in your homes. We work day and heroically at night when your goalpost was stones. You climbed units in the streets and got cozy while you sleep, so maybe you understand how deep our heritage can reach. We are a family, and I'm happy to enjoy this reunion, because to strive is to work together as we love each other as humans.